In this video, I'm going to show you how to install APK app on Samsung device, or how you can easily install unknown app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So there are two options you need to turn on when you want to do this. Otherwise, Samsung will not permit the installation of applications that are not from either the Samsung Galaxy Store or from their Google Play Store. So if you download this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is open the settings app on your Samsung phone, then scroll down until you get to apps and click on that. Once you selected apps, here you have access to all the application you have installed on your Samsung Galaxy phone, both the pre-installed application and personal application. Now what we want to do here is click on these three dots, then select special access to have access to your Samsung phone special access page. Now what we want to do next here is this: scroll down until you get to install unknown apps, toggle on that, then you should have access to all the application where you can install unknown apps on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you want to use Sender, go ahead and turn this on. Turn on WhatsApp, let's say Telegram as well. If you download APK files from Telegram, let's say my files, then Gmail, and also come here and turn on permission for your browser. So here I'm going to enable permission for both or Chrome browser page, and then you may choose to enable the private page. Now once this is enabled, come back again. On the settings page, scroll down until you get to settings and privacy again, and then scroll down, tap auto blocker, then make sure auto blocker is turned off. Once the auto blocker function is turned off on your Samsung Galaxy device, then go ahead and download the APK file and install it on your device. So with this, you'll be able to install unknown application or APK files on Samsung phone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.